Okie dokie, back in the world. Let's see what we can do today. I had a look at the footage from yesterday and I think we have to deal with something I saw. And I saw we have not enough CO2. This is a problem. Right. So, yeah, we have no iron. We cannot make anything. Actually, do we have something to smelt? We wanted to check the furnace. How about we test it with 10 biomass? No, we have to. Oh, careful. So in this room we have very hot gas, and if I turn this on and everything is right, the active vent will purge this hot gas into the room. So we have to be careful and have to watch out for our temperature here. Actually, let's try it. Okie dokie. Ooh. What? Are you? What's wrong with you? Are you in the wrong direction? So you will go up. No. Let's make it here 3000. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? So power. Yeah, we have to check this. Emergency. Empty. Let's drink something. Yeah, I think we have a couple of things to do today. Let's hope we can make it. One wall, another wall. I would like to bring some stuff outside, so you can go on the ground for now. Maybe the lights, I don't know. What are you? You are another stacker. Well, you can go outside. Another hydroponic station. Right, let's take it outside. Pumpkin? That's okay. Battery. Switch the battery. Close the helmet.
Temperature high.
What? Why is the temperature high if we close the... well, nobody knows. We have to remove this, or not remove this, make it a little bit different. But first let's check. Actually, did I turn it? Oh, yeah. Right, if I have not turned this off, we are pretty much doomed in our base. Hang on, you can go to the garbage. Geometric walls. Geometric walls. Are you? You are walking. Right. So, let's check the transformer. What's wrong with you, stupid thing? So you have a connection here. You have a connection here. Everything is fine. Everything should be fine. No, this is on. Why is it not working? Why is it not working? What's wrong with you? Tell me. So we have a connection from here, here, here. This is connected. And you are connected as well. Right. I have no idea. Actually, I have no idea. What's wrong with you? Huh. Interesting. Right. In preparation for the later step, I would like to have actually let's make it like this. And give it a solid wall. I would like to exchange the wall inside. Right. What is it? What is wrong with you? Tell me. Yeah. This was, yeah. This was a little bit uneventful, I have to say. Actually very uneventful. Now it's working. Oh, stop. Oh. I forgot. Temperature. Yeah, we have to watch the temperature, so we have to turn this on and off. What was it? Maybe just a little bit of a glitch? Because I have not changed anything. Well, we probably never know. Right, while the room is hopefully recovering, yeah, let's actually change this here. This is something I saw yesterday, because here we have now oxygen in this pipe segment, and if the airlock switches to the outside, it is not exchanging all oxygen from here. I think, yeah, and this is not something I want to have, and therefore I want to change it. I want to change it like this. I want to change it like this, and probably like this. No, this was wrong. You can stay here. You can stay here. What I want to have is, yeah, you and you. Lights. And switch the battery here. For this, we have to grab you as well. Oh, we are at 20 degrees. Let's give it another. Hang on. Let's give it another tap. Stop it. 40 degrees. Okay, dokie. So, you. Right. Go here. Maybe here. No, here. Here is good. We connect you to the outside. Right there. And we connect you here as well. This is a quick solution for the carbon dioxide problem. We could adjust this here to I think 1000 is enough. Put a canister inside and grab some outside air. Right. Okie dokie. So, well, this was very 20, 24 degrees. 24, 22. Right. Yeah, we have to be very careful. And we also have to find more iron. So let's... Then it's closed. Let's check the trader maybe. Let's check the trader. If we find more iron, we need iron. I would like to have a solid solution for the...
Power low.
What was it? What was it? Right, so give it another tap here.
Temperature high.
Yeah. So another tap. And we do this until the air is empty. Right. So let's head outside actually. No, let's not head outside. Let's grab you and open you.
Temperature high.
Yes. So now let's head outside. For this we close the helmet. We cycle the airlock. We switch to another battery. And we can grab you. Yeah, this should work. So if you need outside air, just pump it into the canister and put it into the base. And otherwise it is for the jetpack. So, right. I wanted to have a look at the trader. We need iron. Please tell me you have something in stock for us. Microwares. I mean, yeah, we have not enough money. As you can see, 400. We are looking exclusively for iron. Yeah, for ore. Mine right? Oh, we have a mine right. We have a mine right. Please stay there. Please stay. Please stay. Please stay. Hang on. A little bit too much. Please. Hang on. A little bit too much. Cable. Please stay. Stay. Right, so this is one mine right. Let's see if we have another one. Maybe we have organic on here. Electronics, maybe. But not now. What are you selling? You sell biomass, which is nice, but I need iron. Not much steel. There's the copper, friend. We need copper. We need copper. We have no copper. Right. Anyway, let's confirm you. And please stay there for a second. I may come late. I maybe come back later. I hope this was right. No. Let's grab the iron. Yeah, this is a good amount of iron. This is nice. This is very nice. And also, so iron is okay. I can live with the iron. You. One steel, okay. Hang on. Did we remove the cable? No. I don't like wasting energy. Okie dokie. So, you stay there for a minute. I may need some things from you later. But for now, I think we have still a little bit of copper left. but definitely not much to waste to get. Yeah, I cannot speak today for whatever reasons. I'm not distracted or anything. I'm just sitting here and play the game. Right, so you. I think I want the iron here, and I will have the iron here. How's the situation with the CO2? Yeah, the CO2 is better, as you can see, just by keep doing this. I think that's it. I think that's it. It is running. Right. So, how about we turn you on? What are you? Bloody hell, we have iron here. Ah, this is... You. You have to stay on. Can we afford it? Well, we are at 700 something something. Actually, let's try our new furnace. Let's try our new furnace. Where's the iron? Here. We start with the iron. Let's have it give it a go. So, is this working? Are you working? I heard you. I heard you. I heard you. Yeah, as you can see. As you can see here, it's processing the iron in one step after another. Actually, it would be better to place the sensor somewhere, maybe here. Yeah, here would be nice, so we could see.
Power low.
Oh well, this is working. This is working. Power low. And open the helmet if you are in the base. Power. It is working. Yeah, it is working. It is working. It is working. Right. I wanted to have something else. I wanted to have a regulator. For this we need gold. And for this we need what? Copper, of course. I think copper is here. How much copper are we talking about? Oh, 27 copper. Right, so let's make a regulator. Right. And here we have it. Our first iron smelted. And still a little bit too much for my taste. Still a little bit too much for my taste, but we have smelted the iron and we had no warning. This is something. Right, time 20 minutes. Did you make my regulator? Yes, you make my regulator. So for this we have to... I placed the... cannot remember, but I think I placed the... Yes, I did. Yes. So let's actually remove you. Okay, we can go on the ground for now. And let's actually place... Hang on. Composite wall here. And for this we need the steel, of course. Yeah, Peter, I think we have we stick to the reinforced walls for now. I think. Yeah. I mean, as you can see, we have enough here for this.
Power low.
And I like the look, and they have a higher pressure differential, so it gives a little bit room for some experiments later, maybe. But for now, I would like to have you here. I thought this is a good idea. We switch you. So you are a pressure regulator, right? Right. Actually, we need something else. We need an IC. Can we make an IC housing? Ooh, you need copper. We need copper. We need copper. We are at the very edge of our copper. And we need something to trade. Steel. Not enough steel. Enough steel. Solar. Yeah, I would like to automate the gas collection a little bit. This is meant to suck in Venus' atmosphere and bring the base to 100 kPa. But we have to be very careful, and I have an idea. I thought about it yesterday. I have an idea how to control this, and it should be a very nice addition to the base automation. And yeah, I hope it is a little bit interesting because it solves quite a lot of problems, at least for a while. Right, we have to check. Yeah, one step after another. IC. Need an IC. You don't need copper, right? You need gold, right? You need gold.
Hydration critical. Power critical.
You need steel, power critical, hydration critical, all the good stuff. Here, have something. We have more food here. What was it? Hydration. Right, hydration. Food. So, we need more steel. Where's the steel? I think we had enough steel. You are silver. Do we have more steel? We have 15 steel here. Give me the steel. Yeah, we check this in a second. So our biomass. What is it? Electron. Well, we have quite an electron here. Right, so you go here. Right? There's a cable. Here we have you. We have a passive vent. Passive vent goes here to suck in the air. We have to rename you. Okay. Let's rename you then. Let's make you pressure regulator. You are in the room 200 and you are, how do I call you? Gas collector. Gas collector. Confirm. You are, you are the IC housing for the room 200 and you are the gas collector as well. Yeah, I think this is a good system here. I came up with. So, yeah, I'm not sure if I can explain it very well. Right, you. We could use a little bit more cables. Bloody hell! How do we connect the? How do we connect you? We could connect you here and go maybe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, 18 is not cutting
Power
it.
low.
18 is not cutting it. Power low. Actually, let's make one more gold and copper. Let's make one more motherboard. Let's make 2 motherboards. Let's make 2 motherboards. Yes, yes. We need something to trade. We need something to trade for. So 2 motherboards. And the rest goes into cables. Here we go. So 2 motherboards. I think we should sell our pumpkins before they go bad. I think we should do this right away. Right. So we have a little bit more cables at our hand. And that's actually yeah, let's make it a good test if our base is exploding. So 10. Do I want to have 10? Let's test it with 5. I'm not hang on. Let's actually test it with 5. I'm not sure. And we want to have a look at our base. What a throw. Alright. So we have volatiles in the base. We have volatile.
Toxin critical. Toxin critical.
Ooh.
Toxin detected.
Quite a toxin.
Toxin detected.
Quite a toxin.
Toxin detected.
Why is he coughing up? But as you can see, the volatiles is removed, but it looks like biomass is exhausting quite the pollutant. Right? But it seems to work. The temperature. Yeah. So do we have actually charcoal? 5 charcoal. I think we are onto something. Let's test it with yeah, how much? Let's test it with 20. Yeah. We can go in the airlock. Let's test it with 20. Split half, split half. So right now 20. I don't want to stretch it too much. So how about now? If we stay here,
Toxin detected.
Still toxin detected.
Toxin detected.
It's still
Toxin detected.
It's still toxic. We have
Toxin detected.
I'm not sure what's the problem. Maybe the problem is
Toxin detected.
Volatile and pollutant.
Toxin detected.
But as you can see, nothing is exploding. This is something.
Toxin detected.
That's a toxin detected. We have to figure out.
Toxin detected.
Toxin detected.
Toxin detected.
I think the volatile is a little bit. I think it is the combination of both. Right. I think I can live with it. For now at least. So now we have a way to smelt our or to convert our biomass, and in the way we collect. Yes.
Power critical. Toxin
He's
detected.
really not liking it. Yeah, well, we have to deal with this.
Toxin detected.
Close the helmet here. Switch out. You. Open you. Right. Very nice. Very, very nice. I think I go with a
Oxygen critical.
power.
Oxygen low.
Yeah. Open the helmet. Everything is falling apart here. So, now close the helmet. Grab a good chunk of 50 and throw it in the machine. Right? Right. So let's head outside. Switch the battery here. So we wanted to sell our pumpkins. We wanted to build the contraption for the gas collector. And the time is 31 minutes. Oh well. Right. We have to be very careful. This working at the base, this is always very dangerous. And by very dangerous, I mean you can go here for a second. By very dangerous, I mean if I remove you. Yes, perfect. So, scrap you. And we have a nice window here. So, and we want to have you here. And we have to go on the roof to have a little pipe work. For this we need you. I would like to check on the volatile filtration, and I would like to check on the furnace. Here we go. Good enough for me. So right, we wanted to let's sell our pumpkins. They are getting not better. And for this we sell you the pumpkin and we sell you the right. We need probably a connection here. What are you? Oh well, I don't care. Give me whatever you want to give me for the. And we sell you these two as well. We buy all the silicon. We buy all the biomass, of course. We could live with a little bit more solar, I suppose. All the nickel. All the coal. All the silicon. Waspalloy. Not sure about Waspalloy. Invar. I don't think we have Invar. Silver we don't need, and we need all cobalt. And I would like to have all charcoal, and I would like to have all gold. 2000 left. Confirm. And you can depart. Thank you very much. No, we are not checking for another trailer. We stick to our plan. And the plan is to first check on the here. Wow, look at this. Look at this. Nice temperature, nice volatiles. Ooh, goody. That's still active. Yeah. So how about you? 1 kilomole. Yeah. Very nice. Switch up, sir. Very, very nice. So, we wanted to have a cable here. Let's make this happen. This is, yeah, I really like this. I really like this. I have to say, I really like this. This is so much fun. We connect you here. We connect you here, and we go here. Probably in this direction. And we feed you back to the main network, right? Right, so you are connected to the network, to the pipe network. Let's see if we can actually make this happen here. Here's a stacker, and here we should have a way to connect it, right? Nice, look at this. I wanted to check the gas sensor here. Yeah, the gas sensor. Alright, so 0. Oh, it's actually finished. It's actually finished, but as you can see, it is 0. So the room is empty. Very nice, it's working, it's working, it's working. I totally forgot, do we have actually any iron? Ah yes, right. We found iron in the stacker. Perfect. So let's program a little bit and let's have some fun. This is working perfect. Not perfect, but reasonable. And this is reasonable is pretty much, yep. Let's grab the coupler here, connect you, and connect you here. Right? So you are connected to the network. Now, where's the IC chip? Let's see if we can, hang on, open the helmet, drink something in preparation for the programming, and let's see if we can make this happen. So let's see. So we need an alias please, for the pressure regulator. Pressure regulator goes on 0. We need an alias for the gas sensor. For the room goes on D1. And for boot measure, we always point to yourself. So alias, we need the pressure from the room on R0. We need also an alias for is active, and on R1, and we define a max pressure, and the max pressure should be 101.32.5 on atmosphere. Define delta pressure. Let's start with 0.3. Not sure. We have to figure this out. Main, pause for a second. Load the pressure from the gas sensor and tell me if it's greater.
Power low.
No, it's less than is active. Power low. Okay. This is why you always should have a bigger battery. Save some energy here. So if the pressure is less than the max pressure, then you should be active. Also add pressure from a pressure to, no, pressure to, no, not max pressure, data pressure. So we we load the pressure from the room, we check the pressure against the max pressure, and it's active if the pressure is less than 1 atmosphere. And here we add to the room pressure, we add a little bit of a delta. And this delta we set to the pressure regulator with a setting, and you have the new pressure. This means the pressure regulator is always a little bit higher than the current room pressure, and this should be good. So pressure regulator, we turn you on if you is active. And this is it, main. I mean, we could make this a little bit better, but I'm not sure if I can manage this now. We could also check the temperature in the room, and if the temperature is too high, it should not work, but I'm rather adjusted for now with this setting. Alright, let's hope we did everything right. Export it and feed it to the IC housing. So here we need, oh well, let's open here, and we adjust the, yeah, the automation part for the, it's just little automations, but it is really fun to make. Gas collector. Yeah, so we need a pressure regulator is here for the gas collector, and we need the room gas sensor. Are you happy with it? As you can see, it's going on, and it's set to 57. And if you check this here, it's a little bit of rounding error, but it should be in the area 50, 57, 57. And this means, and this is what we have to check. Let's check if our room is actually getting hotter. It looks stable. It looks stable, but it is a little bit too hot for my taste. It's a little bit too hot for my taste. So let's actually adjust this. And let's make it half of it. Export. How about now? Yeah, it's going down. Because I would like to have the temperature around 20 degrees, or pretty close to 20 degrees. Right, it's working. And what it is doing is it adds N2 to our room, and it adds CO2 to our room. And the X that comes from the atmosphere, it's purged. It should be purged from the. Right. This number, this delta, is because if you turn this thing on to 100, it will pressurize your room very quickly, but it also introduces a lot of heat. And the delta controls the difference between the energy we add, the little gas we add to the room. Our heating, our cooling system has to keep up with the introducing of the heat, and this is what you can control with a little delta. And we have enough time, so this takes a while, but it slowly but surely will pressurize the room to 100 kPa, and we don't have to think about it again. Like I said, we could also use the temperature here. The temperature, we give it a delta a little bit higher, and if the temperature is above 22 degrees or 21 degrees, we stop the regulator, let the cooling happen, and this would also be possible. But I really would like to have the whole temperature in the 20 degrees area. This is something I would, yeah. Anyway, enough talking. 45 minutes. 45 minutes. Anything else we can do? Anything else we can do? This is a nice addition. This solves the carbon dioxide problem. As you can see, I mean we have 18 moles now. We had 12 moles from the room. Everything is nice. And to make it snappy, let's actually test the cobalt, shall we? So now it's going crazy, right? There's a volatile. Ah, right. This was the cobalt without actually gas. So we need some cobalt with gas. 20, yeah. Okie dokie. Moment of truth. Like I said, we can use the arc furnace. Yes, here we have the volatile. And actually, as you can see, we have our helmet open and the volatile is going above... No, it's not going above 1%. Right. So it is a combination between pollutant and... Yeah, but as you can see, our room stays at 20 degrees. The volatile gets extracted from the cobalt. And in the end, the cobalt should... Yeah, it's actually finished. Right. Why? I have to check this. Why is the cobalt finished? It should process in 1 pieces. Oh well. We have a lot of charcoal here. Very nice. Time 47 minutes. Anything we can do? We have a little bit time left. So 3 minutes, I think. Right. Actually, let's harvest the Dagger farm. Right, I know what I want, what we can do. For this, we need the steel. The steel is here. Yeah, this worked out very nicely. Very nicely. Actually, let's split you in half. And let's process you. Oop. Now he starts probably coughing again. Steel.
Toxin detected.
Yeah. Close the helmet then. Yeah, we have to figure out the toxins. But for now I would like to have reinforced walls. I mean the reinforced walls cost... Oh, what is it? What is it? What is it? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Hydration critical.
Why? Why? Danger, 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 danger. Stop it. And stop you as well. Did we lose our oxygen? Why are you... Okay. So this is something to think about. So the autolate... Right. Did we had some cables burn? No, I think so. The fuse. This is actually not a good place for a fuse here. Screwdriver. Let's place a fuse like here. Yeah, I wanted to do something. Okay, so let's... I mean, we have the footage here. So this is off. We can turn you back on. And... yeah, everything is... what is it? So we have a little bit X. We have still 133. I'm not sure if we lost some oxygen. I mean, it's always, yeah. I mean, you could see we have not much volatiles in the base. The filtration is working reasonably well. You know, time 51 minutes. Okay. Let's prepare this for tomorrow. Yeah. I mean, you could make this all a little bit easier to yourself by just having the furnace somewhere else, feeding it right to the tanks and all these things. But I really like to have this challenge to have the gases in my base and work it out. Right. So, should we stop here? I'm not in the mood to stop. Because I would like yes, I'm in the mood for stop. Yeah, hang on. Open the helmet. I'm in the mood. We have to... hang on. You are empty. Yeah. Yeah, we have to... yeah, I constrain myself to 1 hour Stationeers per day. I think this is more than enough in the counts. But I'm really liking it, and I constantly think about some minor improvements like this, and put it on paper to see how it works. Also this thing here, very nice, very nice. Right, I think this is it for today. We wanted to drink something, and yeah, I think we are on a good way. Our furnace is working perfect, reasonable well. We have to remember no machines when we are purging, when we are actually purging volatiles. Right, let's save it here, and let's see how it goes tomorrow. Let's see how it goes tomorrow. And actually, let's close the helmet so we are not scared tomorrow. No, I have saved. Anyway, so yeah, this is it. I'm not sure what I wanted to talk. See you.